Good evening everyone, myself Siddharth. I am student of the Siddharth English Academy Nanded. I am guided by Nyamuti sir. Today I am going to speak about my mother. My mother's name is Shira. She had a daughter and son. Everyone feels that my mother is the greatest the world. I also feel I also like fields. My mother is graduated by in science. She can speak English, Marathi, and Hindi. She is working. She is fair. My mother wakes early in the morning at 7. I love my mother too so much. My mother. I am very grateful to my teacher who has given me a chance to present my views about my mother. Thank you, all of you.